Hi, this is Anand from GeekStick. This session we are going to see scheduling a job in Jenkins.
This is a simple, very simple job. The move files. What I have seen in that slideshow, we have seen, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this configure and I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. Here in the drop down, it will come, okay, because already established the connection, right? It will show, okay, Vagrant, okay, it is done. Then I am going to this folder source and any files here move star.txt to destination. But in the exercise, what we are going to do is we are going to append that file to the existing file in the destination. Whatever be the text file, we are going to cat it into its destination folder. So the command is not going to be like this. It's not a direct move. Cat star.txt into I will use a small letter for our convenience because I am not a big fan of unit caps. Yeah, cat star.txt and appending to that final.txt. Then going to remove all star.txt, or we can keep it in the archive folder. So usually that is the best practice they do, but for our testing purpose, I don't want to keep it. And here I am adding timestamp to the console, so we will come to know at what time exactly this action took place. Okay, I applied, save. So it is going to be like this. First, these files are going to be placed over here. The which folder is it going to be? In the destination. Previously, just I moved whatever the files came, I was keep moving it. So all the files have been cleared now, and here there is no file. What I am going to do, I will open a file called a.txt 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I will run the job. Build now. If you click on this, the blinking, the dot, directly we can see the logs over here. So the console output, we can see what's going on. Okay, successfully completed. Yeah, very good. Let's see what happened. Yes, there is no a.txt over here. What I entered in this a.txt 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the destination, it is final.txt. What is in this final.txt? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 came. Now, I am going to add another file called b.txt. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, I am going to run this job. Build now. Let's see what is going to happen here. Yes, there is no file. It has been processed. Now I'm coming over here and I'm going to do this final.txt. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, previously it was there. Now 5, 6, 7, 8 is got appended to that existing file. Okay, so this is a manual job. Again, just instead of doing this move, remove, cat, just automated, just one step. But assume this a.txt, b.txt is going to come from some switch or going to be come from some other server. Some other process is going to keep on dispatching those files over here in the source. So whenever file comes, I need not go to, I can't go to the Jenkins and I can't do this build job. So what I am going to do here, I need to schedule this job. So here, if you see, there is something called schedule, called build periodically. Yes. In this build periodically, so what will happen when I am setting star star star, it is going to be every minute. Every minute it is going to run. If I set like this, every minute it will be keep running. So I am applying it and I am saving this file. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll put tail minus final.txt. It will be keep showing the files. I'm going to create some file called a.txt 1. Purposely I'm keeping a.txt 1. Assume it is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Then I am moving a.txt 1 to a.txt. The reason why I am renaming that file is when the process starts, at the time the file would have been partially written. So the partially available file will be taken for processing. That is the reason always, in the industry we used to keep that word dot final. After the file has been completed, then we will be renaming it to that actual expected file naming extension. So these are some best practices that we need to follow. It looks very, this trivial fix, it solves so many big problems. So these are, these things you will, when you are into the industry, you will come to know the standards. So yeah, it's a very simple solution. Yeah, now I'm going to move this. So let's see this file, now it is 5:14. At what time this file is going to run? Let's see. So previously we got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Then 3, 4, 5, 6 came. Means it has been executed. So the file is not going to be here, right? Now I'm going to add another file. b.txt 1, then 9. Skip 9. That's it. There are multiple ways we can schedule. During night time, you need not run this. So in the scheduler, you can set like this: run during only on weekdays. Weekdays usually the transaction will be more. On weekends, you can set it out. It did not run at all. Then again on night time, like after 12 to or after 9 o'clock to or 8 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock, you need not run this process. So you can set everything in this. It's like a cron tab. How we are going to schedule the process, right? It's like that. Oh my goodness, I did not rename it. Yeah, you see. Then now I renamed. Since rename within a minute it is supposed to come. I am not sure. Yes, see, exactly. We put the file. You see 999 came. So this is the purpose of this automation, and it's the simple job we started, and also we will see what are the ways we can schedule this job. You can, there are, usually what I do, I will refer the crontab group. That is one of the very helpful site that, we have to appreciate their effort. I used to refer them a lot. Now we can take this help. This help also very nice. They gave lots and lots of detail. For example, every 10 minutes in the first half an hour, you can set like this, because based on the frequency you can set. If you do like this, what will happen? First it is going to run at 5:10. The next is going to be 5:20. So first half an hour it runs every 30 minutes. After the 30 minute it will wait. So first half an hour only it runs for first half an hour it runs every 10 minutes. This is like that. See, then again we can set every 2 hours also you can set slot between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then this one also once a day on 1st and 15th of every month except December. So we need to have a proper info or details that how frequently that transaction is going to take place, how sooner we are going to get the files. Depends on that volume and velocity of the transaction, we can schedule it. Yeah, this is about scheduling. So I hope it's clear to all of you that how we are going to schedule, and what is the purpose of scheduling, and what's the purpose of automation, and how this build works. Yeah, I forgot to show you the one more thing. These logs, you see, every 1 minute once it's keep on running 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. But I don't want to overload my process, so I'm going to take it out of the schedule. Yes, I hope all of you enjoyed and understood the purpose of this. If you have any doubts, please feel free to post your comments. I will try to reply sooner than you think. Bye.